Hi everyone, I'm Thales from Brazil, and today I'm going to show you guys how I install my system, how I maintain my hair in an easy and practical way. As you can see, my natural hair color is not blonde, yes, so I had to bleach my hair and my system too, and take both the same color, but this process requires a lot of care. So if you don't have experience with hair and these things, you will need the help of a professional. So we won't go into much detail on this area, yes? After shaving my naked area, I call the area of my head that is below the system, the bald part of my head, the naked area. I'm sure I can start the work. It's important that the naked area is as hairless as possible, so that the system installation lasts longer, and so you don't have to apply it every time. First of all, let's see what I'm going to use for this. 1. Hair comb. 2. Scissors. And 3. The glue tape. Oh, I almost forgot. The plastic base that comes in Lavivid box can be quite useful. Basically, I use it to support me when I applying the tape or doing any process that requires more instability. And here we go. I use the plastic base as a support, but to apply the tape, I put the system upside down. And I cut some pieces of tape, but remember that in this case it's not better to have too much than too little. So cut what you think you need without wasting, and if necessary, cut a few more. Then I will put the tape around my system on the edges. I put a little extra tape on the back, because due to the shape of my head, this is the part that starts to come unglued first over time. After that, I remove the protective paper from the tape. This is very transparent and natural. Look at that. Now is the coolest and the most technical part. It's time to glue the system to my head, and I start from the front to the back. Front to the back. From the forehead to the stretching the ends and pressing them firmly against the head to secure the system. The back is very easy, just press your fingers and that's it. Take a look, I literally just installed it and I already look wonderful. I'm still going to combine it a little to fix the strands, but you can finish your hair with a hairdryer, cream, oil, or hair wax. But tell me, what did you think of my installation? Easy, difficult? Do you have a different way to do it? Tell me everything in the comments, like my video, and follow Lavivid here on YouTube and on social medias. Thank you very much for watching. Kisses.